Have you ever wondered what happens when a hedgehog becomes a barista? Meet Harold, who, in a twist of fate, dons an apron and steps behind the counter of a bustling cafe. With every order, chaos ensues. From espresso shots flying to foam art gone hilariously wrong, Harold's day becomes a comical circus. He accidentally brews beetle-infused lattes, delighting customers in the most unexpected way. Just when things seem to calm down, a hiccup sends him spiraling into a fountain of whipped cream. Through laughter and determination, Harold discovers that even the funniest failures can bring joy and unforgettable moments to everyday life.